What the hell is your problem? That's sick.
Bro, you're stingy, dude. Oh
I'm
my
stingy.
God, bro.
How about you use
Bro,
your
come on,
shirt?
dude.
That's disgusting. Why would you do some nasty
Come
shit
on,
like that?
bro. You're tripping. You're selfish, bitch.
No.
Like, you a selfish bitch. You are a selfish bitch.
I'm not a selfish bitch. Don't ever call me a bitch. Don't ever wipe your snotty nose ass on my shirt. Because the next time I'm going to sneeze in your face, I'm going to make you eat my boogers. You sick, nasty, big back ass horse. Stop playing with me. Stop.
Is it that serious?
Get serious. You started it, so I'm finishing it.
I guess.
You're sick.